Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone's doing good. So I'm your host Rituka, and this channel, The Vegan Flower Child, is all about making vegan recipes, exploring vegan food in cafes and restaurants, and exploring a lot of vegan products in the market. And today, besides being a recipe video, we shall be exploring Oziva's organic plant protein powder and a lot more of their healthy products. And the recipe that we shall be making today is a lentil coconut lemongrass soup. So let me talk about the products first. So guys, this company's name is Oziva, and they've come up with an organic plant protein powder. So for all of us vegans, who obviously do not want to have whey protein because it has lactose, this is a great option. And even for non-vegans, it's far more healthier. This is organic, it's lactose-free, gluten-free, soy-free, sugar-free, non-GMO. And so it's made of organic brown rice, organic quinoa and organic pea protein isolate. It's super awesome. Like, not just before or after a workout, I simply have it, sprinkle it over my salad, or make it, add it to my chapatis, or have it as a smoothie. So it's a great plant-based protein powder, organic plant-based protein powder. It's an Indian company, so they deliver all over India. So I shall put the link in the description. You guys can order it if you like. So another awesome product that I found through Oziva is known as Superfood Greens and Herbs with whole food vitamins. This consists of your alkalizing greens, your detox ingredients, and immunity herbs, and a lot more. It's an awesome thing to add in your daily diet if you like. So another product that I've discovered through Oziva is your plant-based biotin. Now this is great for your hair fall control, for great skin, for your nails. All the goodness in this is natural. Again, it's sugar-free, gluten-free, soy-free and non-GMO. So if you're looking at something which is totally focused just on your hair, to take care of your hair fall, hair growth and your scalp, they have this product known as hair vitamins. It has omega-3 as well. So this can be a great thing to have daily for your hair nutrition. And finally, the need of the hour, Oziva's Immunity Booster. So it contains plant-based natural vitamin C, which enhances absorption far more than your synthetic vitamin C. It also consists of your immunity herbs, super antioxidant whole foods. Again, it's vegan, sugar, gluten-free, non-GMO. It's a great option to add to your daily intake if you're looking for plant-based immunity booster. And last but not the least, for all you matcha lovers out there, Oziva has another cool product, Organic Matcha Plus. So this just doesn't have the goodness of matcha, but it also has your active charcoal, your ginger and more. This product is great for your skin to increase your metabolism, and we can use it just the way we use matcha, in a warm drink, in your smoothies, your desserts or in your food recipes. So that's all I have to share with you guys about all the products. I shall put the link in the description to their website and to all these products, so you can choose whatever you like. And now let's get to the recipe. So to make the lentil coconut lemongrass soup, first in a vessel I'm going to add half a cup of red lentils or split masoor dal minus the skin. Next I'm going to add 20 grams of garlic, and we can add some water to this and let it cook till the time the dal is done. In case the water dries up in between, you can further add more water. Once the dal is cooked, we can switch off the gas and let the dal cool off completely. Once the dal has cooled off completely, we can further add a cup of coconut milk to this and blend it really well. Next, in a pan, I'm going to add some oil, and either you can add one big bay leaf, or here I'm adding 3 small bay leaves. And once the oil heats up a little, I'm going to add around 4-5 cloves. Once they start sizzling, you can stir it for a few seconds, and then I'm going to add the blend of the dal and the coconut milk here. So to this I'm going to add around 12 to 15 2 inches long sticks of lemongrass and mix it really well. Further I'm going to add some Himalayan pink salt to taste, some pepper to taste, and give it a good mix one more time. We can now cover it with a lid and let it cook for around 5 minutes. So after around 5 minutes, I'm going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice to this. Give it a good mix. We can now switch off the gas. And I suggest you let this sit for a while so that the flavor of the lemongrass is well infused in the soup. And our lentil coconut lemongrass soup is done. Let's taste, guys. The flavor of the lemongrass really enhances the taste of the lentil and the coconut milk. Quite a simple and flavorful soup. Do try it out and let me know how do you guys like it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.